what's going on? What's going on?
Chilling at the Holiday Inn.
Hey, what's your name?
Roxanne.
So, where do you live?
Where over the rainbow.
Wait, what state's that in?
Sweet home Alabama.
How do you get there?
River and through the woods.
What do you want to do?
I just wanna fly away.
What if I want?
You can have whatever you like,
Why are you singing all the answers?
'Cause I'm hot-blooded, check it and see. I got a fever of 103.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, I got another call.
Wait.
Sorry, bye. Hello?